Let's talk works cited. This is something which I think a lot of people master by their junior year, but some people still struggle with. So let's go over the most important aspects of works cited formatting. The first thing you need to know is that the works cited page is always separate from the rest of the essay. This is just good practice to help yourself differentiate between your works cited and your essay proper. If you need clarification on how to create a separate page in a Word document, I just want to remind you that you can go to the Insert tab, which will be at the top of your screen. You choose Insert, Break, and then you select Page Break. This will move whatever is below that page break to a separate page. It's very simple. Additionally, you need to have works cited, as you see right here, works cited, center justified at the top. So let me amend this. This is works cited, center justified. But the rest of the works cited is left justified. Do not start putting every entry you have in the middle of your works cited. Only the title goes up here, center justified. The rest will be left justified. Your entries need to be alphabetized. So let's take a look here. Belknap, B-E-L, Benjamin, B-E-N, Cassidy, C-A-S, Dostoevsky, D-O-S. And this is the rule that gets so many students, that just takes a while to understand. You have to indent only the second line and beyond of a works cited. Now, if you want to know why, I'll tell you real quick. The reason why is when you have a works cited that is getting longer and longer in college, to be able to scan and find the entry really quickly, you want to be able to look down the left column and just see last names so you can find what you're looking for. If these indentations didn't exist, it would be much harder to visually scan for the name you're looking for. So that indentation of the second line and beyond is really important once your works cited gets long, but you have to learn it now so you can do it later. So if you're unclear about how to indent a second line, let's do a quick example. Okay, let's say I'll just do this exact entry again. Belknap, Robert, italicized title, Genesis of the Brothers Karamazov, right? The aesthetics, ideology, and psychology of making a text. Northwestern, forgot to unitalicized, Northwestern University Press, 1990, print. Okay, well, of course, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to throw this in Times New Roman because I am not a savage. Okay, times 12. The next thing I'm going to do is, let's say I've got this nice and double spaced, which is actually going to be a bit of a pain in Mac, and I don't even know if I can do it. But let's say I've got it nice and double spaced. How am I going to, there we go. I'm going to indent it. But in Word, you can't do that. In Word, you're going to have to click your cursor to the end of a line, and you're going to have to press Tab. That doesn't work in OneNote. But nevertheless, if you're in Word, put your cursor at the end of the line, press Tab, you'll get the same effect as going like that. Right? So, and of course I just messed everything up. But, point taken. And you see the point here with this example. Press Tab at the end of the line.